Hello everyone, welcome back to Spararia YouTube channel. Alright guys, so yeah, in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to set limit for hotspot data on Samsung Galaxy A36. Alright guys, so yeah, if you don't want your hotspot data to run out quickly when you shared it, so don't need to be worried because you can limit the hotspot data that you will share each day so that it will be more economical. And how to do that is very easy. So yeah, without any further ado, now let's get started to the tutorial. Alright guys, so yeah, the first thing first is now you can go to settings menu on your phone, and then now you can go to connection, and then after that now you can go to mobile hotspot and tethering, and then now go to mobile hotspot. So you can click the hotspot data, and then here you can set the data, and then when the data limit you set is reached, mobile hotspot will automatically turn off and all devices will be disconnected. And so yeah, you can click OK and your hotspot data is already set. Alright guys, so yeah, here's the tutorial and thank you so much for watching. See you guys on the next video.